Indiana 13-13-1-1, back to another banger unboxing review. Today we got 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea Anniversary Edition. Disney Blu-ray exclusive. Here it is, guys. Looks super cool. I like the little doll that he's holding. Straight from the Disney movie archives comes an extraordinary collection of specialty selected movies and shorts available on Blu-ray. Whatever, okay, Disney's Academy Award-winning 2019 special effects, best art direction, edition of Jewels, 20,000 Leagues on stage for the Blu-ray and first time in this anniversary edition. Starring James Mason, I think of his name, and Kirk Douglas, yes. James Mason, legends, both love these guys. Yeah. Yeah, let's open this bad boy up real quick. I only seen this movie once in a while. That was at Target, so we picked it up. La la da dee la 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 la. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants. Yeah, let's open this bad boy up. Oh, free code right there. Celebrate the anniversary. Here's the disc. 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea Anniversary Edition. My eyes have seen the glory of the trampling at the... We washed ourselves and na 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 na. We're taking down the da 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 do 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 do. Ba bow 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 bow. And bye.